Hello students, today we'll be solving the CPT question paper from June 2018. We'll be solving questions from the quantitative section only. We'll start off with question number 91. So in question number 91 it has been said that if 4 letters are put randomly among 4 envelopes, then the probability that all are not put in the correct envelopes are option A 1 by 24, option B 1, option C 23 by 24 and option D 9 by 24. So these are the 4 options. So now we have 4 letters. So we have letter we can write it down as letter 1, letter 2, letter 3 and letter 4. And the envelopes be in the corresponding envelopes to which it should go be, let me add envelopes. L1 should have gone into A, L2 should have gone into B, L3 should have gone into C and L4 should have gone into D. So these are the corresponding envelopes. Okay, so now let us find out the probability that all the letters are going into the correct envelopes. So now the probability or the not the probability, for finding out the probability basically let us find out the number of cases in which all the letters are going into the individual respective correct envelopes. How many cases are there? So L1 will go to A, L2 will go to B, L3 will go to C and L4 will go to D. So basically we can see that there is only one favorable case where all the letters are in correct envelopes. All are in correct envelopes. So this is the scenario for correct envelopes. So now, but total number of cases, total number of ways in which the 4 letters could have been put into 4 different envelopes are basically the first letter L1 could have gone into any of the 4 envelopes. So it could have gone in 4 ways. L2 could have gone into the remaining 3 envelopes in 3 ways. L3 could have gone into the remaining 2 envelopes in 2 ways. And L4 would have only one envelope left, or it would have only one way. So total number of ways 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 2 will be 24, 24 into 1 will be. So basically there are 24 ways in which 4 letters could have been put into different envelopes. So probability of letters, let me write it down correctly. Probability of letters being put correctly is basically equal to total number of cases are 24 and favorable cases for the envelopes going into the correct for the letters going into the correct envelope is 1. One case only is there. So probability is therefore 1 by 24. So therefore probability of letters being put wrongly, we can say, or in wrong envelopes is basically 1 minus 1 by 24, which is equal to 23 by 24, which is the option C. So option C over here is the correct option. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Thank you very much.